This is how you synchronize all of the sequencers in the modular to the computer, in this case in Logic Audio. It's easy. You're going to use the Moon 553. That's what I'll call it from now on. 553 MIDI to clock module. I will show you some stuff on that and talk more about it in a minute. First, let's set Logic. It's easy. All you do is you go into Preferences. It'll usually come up General. Go over to MIDI, Sync, MIDI, Sync, Project Settings. Find 553. That's the Moon 553. Turn clock on. That's it. Now, here's what you do. You hit the space bar and you turn around and you look at the module. And what you want to see are the two lights underneath the two top jacks come on and flash like this. Like that. That means it's getting clock. That means it's getting clock and you're all set. So now let's look at the 553 itself. The 553 has a clock output here of 16th notes, which is the most commonly used. This is the clock out variable, so there's a clock divider here. So you could cut it and you can play that in real time if you want. It can be difficult to keep things locked perfectly so they line up on the one, especially if you start going to triplet times and stuff. But keep in mind that we have two voltage sequencers, two 960s, and we've got that trigger sequencer with 4 rows that you can clock the entire 4 rows off one clock signal, but they're all independently clockable as well. So you could clock them at different rates. The start out jack sends a quick pulse every time you hit start on the computer. You would feed that into a reset input of that trigger sequencer. The stop output is a quick 5-volt pulse that you would feed into the stage 9 inputs of either or both 960s, so that when you hit stop on the computer, both 960s go to stage 9. Then when you hit play again, they automatically increment to stage 1. That's how this works. And if you want to know what the jacks on the bottom do, go online and read about it.